Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I'm going to install OpenCloud with Docker. We start the video on the site OpenCloud. We have a lot of information here, but you can see here up we have demo. Click on it, go down and demo. See here, you can log in, username Dennis, password demo. I do that. Dennis, password demo and sign in. Et voilà. You have an OpenCloud test environment. Personal, shares, spaces and deleted files. We have also the Docker Hub, OpenCloud EU/OpenCloud. Again, with some information and the tags. As you can see, the latest is only 4 days ago, so it's active. The Docker Hub site. We have also headcap with the code. Again, with some information how to install it. And we have also OpenCloud docs. You see here, welcome to OpenCloud admin docs. Here you go to get started, Docker, and here is the information we're going to use to install OpenCloud on our server. See it here. So I open Visual Studio Code, create a remote connection to our Fedora server. It's only take a minute. See, it's downloading. And voila. We open folder. You go down, in my case, it's programming and Docker. Okay. I have here already one directory, OpenCloud. Then we go to the terminal, new terminal. Make it some bigger. We go inside the OpenCloud directory. I do ls to see the directory is empty, and we're going to create 2 volumes. I copy the command, copy it. So mkdir to create a directory, /p if present, you don't do nothing, on the home directory, programming, Docker, OpenCloud, and the directory name is OpenCloud data. Enter. As you can see, we have our directory. Next, we have OpenCloud config. Again, enter. I open Cloud, and you see we have 2 directories, OpenCloud config and OpenCloud data. We go back to our browser. Up, you see, first we create our 2 directories. Next is to pull the image. So I can copy that, copy it, go back to Visual Studio Code, paste it in. So Docker pull OpenCloud EU/OpenCloud rolling latest version. Enter. It's going to take a minute. See, it's downloading. It's almost complete. Very quickly, it's not so big. Extracting already. Last step. Et voilà. I have downloaded newer image for OpenCloud rolling version latest. Then we go back to our browser and we have the first step from the installation. You see it here. It's a docker run command, and we want to have this output. Remember, it's a two-step installation. The first step and the second step. So, go back to Visual Studio Code and copy the command, because I changed the directories. See, programming, Docker, OpenCloud, OpenCloud data, and OpenCloud config. Enter. See, do you want to configure OpenCloud with certificate checking disabled? Yes or no? In our case, yes, but it's not recommended for public instances. So this means the thing we do here today is for a local network. So the answer is yes. Et voilà. The first step is okay. Remember, username admin, password also admin. Then the next step, maybe go back to the site here. The next step, again, I have some conditions for the volumes. Back to Visual Studio Code, copy the command, et voilà. Docker run, the name of the container, remove if finished, the detach mode, port 9200, the first volume, see, our directory, OpenCloud config, the one we created there, the second, OpenCloud data, insecure true, important, proxy, and the URL. So here we have the URL from our Fedora server and port 9200. And of course, the image, the latest version of OpenCloud rolling. Enter. Et voilà. Because we downloaded here, it's very quickly. And as you can see, our OpenCloud data and OpenCloud config have some information. I open a private window, paste in the IP address from our server, port 9200, HTTPS. Enter. Because it's a self-signed certificate, we have to accept the risks, accept and risk and continue. Et voilà. We can log in. Remember from previous video, the username is admin. The password is also admin. And we can log in. Et voilà. We have personal files, shares, spaces, deleted files. If we go here to the menu, we have our text editor. We can create text files. We have the App Store. Here we can install different apps. We have our admin settings with general, users, only one user, the admin user, groups, and spaces. The last is calendar, but that's not yet activated. On the other side, we have our admin, the prefixes, and we can log out. Also, we can open the sidebar. So, if we go to files, here we have a sidebar. See that here. We have also notifications, and we can go to the website from OpenCloud U to share your feedback. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, or leave a comment. Thank you very much, and see you later.